chira wa no pay na ti ase say what aba no because want to no the okoto ye no okoyi de won pay enti wato. A reputable company is seeking to employ newly completed NSS personnel and anyone looking for employment. Minimum qualification is diploma. Interview ne baso on the 5th. Dufie Towers, Edum behind Aseda House. And into no okwa now they will CV, 2 passport size photograph, 2 copies of certificate. Na and the saying you say 1 year national service and I will pay chuma. And with your qualification no minimum degree hey and the advert advantage. Then more diploma so I will bet me a call. Unti bibia say a friend 0245 991 390 0245 991 390 and 0249 158 252 0249 158 252. Good morning, herbal mixture. Good morning, herbal mixture. And yes, I meet you herbal mixture no. Oh, my watching. Marching herbal mixture. Good morning, herbal mixture. What sorry I'm no pa. Na opese won komo ho ye den na utimi kwadwa so koye ne wo se wo ye no o hear good morning anopa no heba Mr. Itimi chiaw e wo Ghana ha no your friend good morning e chiaw we de chiaw mpomuntini na etimi am wasipia sita enti wo pia no pa no one good morning ha you're good to go for the day na obia ni ho odin anapom ho odin bia no onum good morning heba Mr. Na immune system na ya mbrenti tontom kakra bi akawa bibi kakra bi na ka wato ho no sebu onuma aye insomnia oda wontumi na no onum good morning a obeda na dwopa na wa wish you be a good night afei udidi a aduane no esi ho kama wote ba ko mienu a wo se da bi obu a wo nante kakra bi wa bre wa sori anopa nso so unya adwuma bia nso so wa bre afei menstrual disorder oba obu nsa wo se unya good flow infections cocoa any pressure ni nyinada all you need is good morning herbal mixture na ukopiem wo enkran tenated herbal repass herbal hallow herbal ashama ikus pharmacy Wadima Pharmacy, Takrade, Mensa, Nimde, Heba, Freddy Mens, Misty, Heba, Colinac, PFA, Tafuni Road, Promise Heba, Nina, Ewo Kumasi, Kofodia, Gapsen, Benol Pharmacy, Sunyani Mose, Nia Joso, LNT Fred, 0246 594 117, 0246 594 117. Pharmacy shop be our Ghana Abia. O friend 0246594117. Ya beje so. Yay, ade we me ka da bia me de nige de ka. Esan se me hunhun sunsu aso. Ni nyina ne se sompa akyede ya launch na sompa ba ye na mpanin tena se. No se afi no ano ebu asaya. Ya na nipa bebre ne wo hono mo a. Aho kirenti de one ne ma bedie. Ukraini bi nyane pe se ni kuna jane ho no jane nkwada obu okra be ma ne na anwo enti aka no nko a ebusuan ya pono eduru ma se ya trasam se eduru se ya ese odofo bi nsem adoye hiobu na eka anya sa ojai otumfo no suro so ono ma baba wa bi 35 years 40 na ni kuna jane ho na aka on nkwala na ni ho hancho e ba se ya bronya mo na ayedie no enkokọ na ayawie no enkosu ayawie no atade ne ntoma ebefra ene saa de me nyina no enu ti na sompa etena se ne se ebia wo 5 kilo ina wo ebia wo 20 Ghana ebia wo 10 Ghana ukosia maame ne na wo de 10 cedis ana 20 di ma no aye ofere dabi fa be kan ye ho na ye nyina ye nkambom na eduru ho no ma ya ye saa chede ye amana ye fe sompa chede ena we baaye ya ye this is the 3rd edition na me gidi se nyame nam so amane maame no bebre omoso ensa akoma no omanya ntoma bi akona ase asori kwasi ada koda nyame ase afia to wo mu enunti entoma no fabra emo no ye hwe anim cooking oil Nti tomatoes no, sardine, geisha, corn beef, saa nneɛma ni nyinaa ye die no. Eye ebia toilet rolls bi ene saa nneɛma ni nyinaa obetimi de aba titro usika no hia. Na sika no tie me. O sende aba. Edine ye Terawan Media ana Blessed Foster. So wo sende ne din fufuro bi aba. So obi wo fia ka kire wo, obi wo baabi ka kire wo se oh Fatuma yi so nam de mema wo mo a sini hu onye papa wadamfo no ne sen kra amfama no sika ehu ahomti ebi adada no kra de bi amia kra me botom nye so man ni me sende 1000 afi na ase de me sende ase me sende ni mayi mani bi da bi emfa sika bia amfo ba bia normal no nie 0598 Sompa chede 0598 559802 0598 559802 ejanka bi bedidi o e was ejanka bi didi na ejanka na didi no ehu hia enu nti e na ye ka kire o se eye edino Blessed Foster ana Terawan Media. Apart from that eba tapoku amfama no wo sende ko obedi o de ba Omanhene obedi wo hini ni ofosio omona samoa lumba yabo ama your friend say asante yeboa kukua akosia somoa pokua Kevin emfamo bia Safo Shadrach Fancy Akomia Jeff see you cry mfama no edino ye Terawan Media 0598 559802 na makase o send this sika we ya can you person nyame nyama wo wabisa de be say ebe ko ya yebobo testimonies you see Sompa nyame ahirayen empire bia ye bogu asase esu ansa na ye bie radio station no eye adwuma pa Saturday we ma no bo ha no ma won say na me send 50 Ghana me send 100 Ghana o ma yiti campa me sem da na ye pay ye funa wo ba ya wo na me pabrichi akọ me mana just say countless ye nim de ye ka o ya chade no nye as a show bi o da bi enye show ye ne nyame atentam Sompa esra so abompa ye guso enti Sompa chede no unye bi da afi ye bi se mono articulate macro afabra entoma no epo no se articulate macro afabra anwa santikesha macro bibia ye hwe wanim awrade nhyiraw se wanya adwene kra se obeye no awrade nye wakoma so ade ma amen adabogu now what to say bibi aboko mami so want to say ehia me chen bibia
me da se pa ehia na meka no
ehia me chen bibia ata
miwa
Zoom Lion organized labor on the 10th on person mo call them strike now the metete say within the organized labor no some of the people feel say this is not the way to go ebi mu feel say the pressure on the president no it's not holistic e won so na e mampani wa ye ne de but I say e was say ye discussing no devoid of politics ye bobom nipa bu din organized labor am for I associate omo with the opposition di ama eye lusu that flavor a teacher for ka ho clock sack for ka ho GM 1 do me you adwen kire wo ho on the galamsey na me wi a I won say Christian Boni Chichi Christian Pelifo the Chichi e hye no nkwa no sa Chichi no nkwa no e 10 million ba jonyo brand bia o ba
say o Ghana had na say mfie be edu call na du no so from the last 10 to 20 years 2004 ebesi 2014 e de back 2024 e di mienu a no mu defining strike at the educational level. Ne Kwame
Alovi.
And then Kabonu become
Kabonu. Yeah.
And some ye kafa wo and not the NDC4 and nagrat not your more free not and nagrat near NDC4 be ya demonize Sani Paya Bedru Sabri.
Mami fa we ntwem say GPR2 for so say TUC4 so omo ko striker omo so ka kire omo say saa de na ekoso no omo mpanim for so omo de omo hu gym et on the 10th GPR2 ka bie no ebetu
say obia be fili Ghana enye organized labor near Jumfo eye or GJ awards nasino TUC Juma obia no one numbers and expertise so TUC
eto be say Jumfo kasa o ka kire o mampani so onye bibi no TUC for na so o ka that just o munye o maju
Debbie o ma che bebi obefem wo wiase bia Napoleon and France the industrial revolution in Europe yes sorry tia the Catholic Church Roma sorry na nya sorry keke wo Europe na ya ban so Martin Luther spoke against the government of the day nti na wa sorry bi to say Methodist Presby yes omo ye Protestant churches they protested against
niema na Roma sorry na ye
na at that point na Roma sorry no has metamorphosed into a government
to omo kasa na omo ne ye be kunkura na uni ano
sa branding na drus wo Ghana because so omo mpeo omo ena omo wom echena a omo nim omo made ene omo nanade
Sompa
ena omo trade sisi ano ne atosumienu emma obi anyina ba bi nka se galamsey na yenim no eno an ye no enye sa de ni biem so unyini o mining area takwa unyini o mining area bogoso unyini o mining area Pristia Uni Valley oboase baby a na etu agudi Ghana bia no boys ne kakra bi obo nso makwa kokututu forma no mo de aba ana se omekwa ko wura company bi concession mu na omo tututu amana koma na abuagu omo so ye asamabo ne ekoso sesi ana enye saade ni bia. And it's happened and festered over years.
And I say, and
they actually because Obi Ajibi Galamsey has corrupted every fiber of the society. How? Obi no Obi to two Gala send your moye ni say which is evil and bad. Omo to Galamsey okroma mfia no bebre Obi ani wa na owo afidie si nsuo so tu ba ko di nsuo no ko
Champagne no
na baako e de aba begum nti ko huruya
na sa aba
sa de na ekoso ha no every unhia se oye sofo unhia se oye TUC even the ordinary Ghanaian should be worried and na niema bi wo ho a yes renewable natural resources
that's right
Omanhene patrol ye ba wiase we hu se nsu a ye beto ye no obi etima bofoforo bi aka ho
David
nti at best then na be Japan fo bi se omo de no bi beba na ate ani na unya nsuo no sana na etie no biem
ye fe no ye de awora ye ko ayi a na wasa na ye nsone so na ye noa na unya na wanom minerals e wo nsuo mu no e wo mu ma Sompa FM na nsuo a ye wo wiase a ye no nyina e ye purified and wow
me da sipi una na hinam nsuo na no ma mu di begum no eno ne yesen no so you don't need anybody nemom sani amaya bi timi kabom France Germany England baby abeko bia no adwumafo dey from the middle class and also the working class omo kan mu bo ma mu si yabre na nsesamba eduye nkwan so a ese na ebi makojejo mama sika ena ebi makoje NDC sika ena okra me gidi se otana na akufado. In this conversation, have this. No president in the history of this Fourth Republic, and a Ghana near door. Any GDA, Atu Abama said in 2016.
Okay, that's true.
Another chair, the collective goodwill. Yen na ye kambom say ye di akoma pa. And your papa tawechi Galamsey ni yempe. Nti kono. obi enyande no na Akufo-Addo nyae ni bi da.
Because your mama time 2014 didn't get it.
No.
When your media no cry support. He didn't get the media.
Obi aka say look, ade we nyina eta wachi. Say ka ho bi kura ma yehu. Operation Vanguard koso. Ebi de ommoja gu so. Mahama died. Soldier for na e de omko ni bebre amanfo toto on tuo. The military is there. Ombetimi aka ho asema tweren. Sunday man ni sika ye di wura mu no. Esunsun sanso wen. Are we better off or worse off? On the evidence of data, we are worse off. You see a reclamation. Yeah, man, you could see saying, "Nsase no do saying any etimi asanaje." Economics no say opportunity cost. Asase bi ade betu galamsey bia no. The opportunity cost could either be farming.
Sompa FM.
And now say be before crowd betimi dey asase na.
Yeah.
Nti so to asase ni wi a, e dey na asi. Ahyase no kwa abusuan ho a. Omusi o asase ni de me na di jame papa. Enam papa so se me hwe so. O se me kwa se ne mbeto no no. Se me ntimi mfa bi nka ho a.
Menye ne sa.
Eno ankomodiem ene de otumfo e kan e o menhia ne kire se. Every fiber of the society, a land 10 years.
Yeah, the movie.
The land 10 ansa na asase be ko nipa ho no. Se mfre busu apanyi ho efri ohene ho.
Efri ohene ho.
Omo na asase yo mo dia.
Use to flux.
Nti misrapi. Why na de asase no ma ya yewuram. Nti eno no timi blame ahemfo. Eni Ghana for timamufo abusu apanyi a wo ha. Na pass obi betima to galamsey our forest preserve mu. Look, let's be serious.
Oh, atana enrana me ne honorable member of parliament for Fijasia Sokoye can be catch and say. A dear in a bar almost a boa ben a car or more 2019. Brashebe Jeffie any Akufo-Addo buying a decrata call Brashebe Jeffie say. Yam koye legislative instrument 2462 say certain forest reserves. Ayena nanom ne Ghana by the CSA. Ensuoti ensu wansu wati ho ne wo. Ennua bi ho kra na say nnua no they are extinct but they are found in those forests intino. Yam mo ho ban no. Omo koye mra o. Ata problem ni nyina ne sesia no. Obi was small scale mining or forest reservoir. It has been licensed and approved by law. It is a cause of Pamono. Only Pacrona or Pamono. No is doing an illegality. Why? I have found the bit to ya yet me my hokaisa.
And until now, your teams in here. I also almost away near NDC, way near NPP. It's the political system of the day, the government. And Akufo-Addo is different from NPP when it comes to these things. Mpo, so no nana oye du frupe. Mpo, so nana Akufo-Addo ena oye du frupe. Ena ose me won nipa bi ampe so mu to gold no. Nti me sha omo bo na makoso ama omo to mi krata so omo nkoye dwuma. Mrashe beja fi ho no.
Eti na de na wo ha tu omo ntumi anhunu se.
De atosimienu. Se ba he na nkaye 2017. Bana besi 2019 no. No waka say ye de ne ye ho hwe a enye yi. Wo ye ho hwe a na ye. Because your nyoma bebre de akọ mrashe bedwafi a sa brenum from 2017 besi.
Na le Japan ma mango.
Me da sipi mi.
Je nyina ye tie Sompa.
Enti sa wo ye tie sini a. Ne aduru no. Jana na Akufo-Addo. Jai John Mahama. Jai Dr. Bawumia. Jai obia. Asem ne po nyina ne se. Saade we say yensi anokwan. Ya antete su kokwa ntraban. Ama animanimu ya wanye bibia amfa sa airline no a. Se onye obi oye di frupe bro so a, Omanhene Yaw. Na nia ye enye obi na betua hoka.
Ya ne ya shase etua ta. Se na nsuo no ebedru mebi utumi ntonsuo.
Ye no ane se na mina. Ghana Water Company. Ni oma nsuo Ghana. Onye NDC, onye NPP. De obi o pipe oma di ba no. O se ne ekwayi ehu nti ye nsuo na ye nom no. Ebedru mrebi enche bia ye ho betwe. Omo ye nro sa o yare a wo benye bia no pharmaceutical society susu ba ya. Omo simple nsuo ye de efra nro no mamono.
Man hwe ye be kakra no gese ekoto. na yokoto wi a eduro no beto ne sei
ye homo bro ye dware wonsuom ye senior wonsuom ne asabia bafia abenu aduane nti ye dansuo eno dan chen a na nanom tete skari omusi eye omo bra ebo omo bra no na omo dansuo wa akonnua sanyina aso
nti wonko kura nsuo na ho wontimi mosese
nti diem pa na tano no ye beto no ene ayi ni sei pra na ye beto no ya ayi ni sei
dunkwa
ofin ya ayi ni sei nti bebia say it's a leadership problem enya wotimamuni no ena ode how we aba or how aba nia ayesa no bibia di adanse pefe say we have a big problem big problem among nti wo ya TUC ni a ena demonstration ni bi ahase
almost just on the 10th almost calling for nationwide strike GPR2 force omati almost so omuntuka nti omo catch omo so member say obi bia wo say GPR2 ase wo ye wa ni dia omo no ni asem na if you are a member of GPR2 a VIP minim say if waka ho say others no buses na ekọ dunkwa onom ne ade GPR2 station nyina omo say ground zero car bia ntu
how much is so
Omasem ne say omu fi say na do danko akufado and declare state of emergency na on outright ban to virtually everything ebi muso say na ka say small scale miner or no on forest reserve oil ni small scale mining na adwuma no ensensuo a odi na adwuma say o ka say ye mani nya adwuma ye ni bibia ebi ono so akwaje bank bosia akoto excavator bosumi bia wo tua na onko hunu nsuo a ebi musu fi se wo mo hunu nsuo no sesia no they are foreigners Burkinabes and Togolese ni bia out of nowhere no mabegum no mo for hunu nsuo no eti small scale miners for no crowd so say ye ma omo tumi na ye ma sojafo they will police the waters ama nsuo no hono na ye ma ho be 1 month nsuo na ni beti na ye ka say ye ka omu nyina bom say hwe na obi ankoye mining na ye de galamsey afra small scale ti eya ma small scale mining abe illegal meanwhile it is legal but TUC for asem kese pa ne say forest reserve no uti omu ya eno na ka bind empane but it looks as if say forest reserves no su komu a party for bi ho ye complicit
me da CP nti ye be share
I don't know me enka no kra kire ho
ye be share nkomo ya say atwaso every this very called Margaret Thatcher the Conservative Party no in 1979
feno tu jana minya wona ekira ho ata ekira no pa brantem
mirama
ye won komodie bi di te ya brantem
I say to the Conservative Party
wife na ma mantem one
some the war am say we kai bua na kama
yo me catch and wo tie mi a ya no no brantem why mami tio
my fellow party members the problem of this world always becomes greater when the aristocracy
Sompa
and the ruling class get involved. Or how are we are seeing any bra boy timuno. Ebe ye kesi jensem. Ebra ye di domenim. Ye fem. This issue of illegal mining and the
problems.
It only got to this level. Ebra the political ruling class.
Radio stations, television got to a point a man for started kasa home when politicians started owning radio stations.
Absolutely.
Since when a radio presenter Tnasia otimi bo party color no odi party biatem a bra politician enya license eti MPP na station ni end dia who expect to say presenter no ko kan NDC asem and so asem na no hey NDC for time na ye di bomb sobo se omu di gala and MPP wo mo hwe ni o mani ni o ja to ma do suko Christian Akwaba We are Bayport for Atrasi. We will speak truth. Obi o tia wa muna. Now only me abufu sem say, all kind of credums o ye dey o say party. O party say am fa me. O my Ghana say now party now. Na party one na be di ni so. Bayport for Atrasi e che bia no omo de be sie ni wa ha. Omo won sem pa bi mamo. Na omo de oda omo ana je say oda. Usika ombe krama obe nyamfaso baba wa fe obe transi one the boss wa siboni chichi Bayport service hellos aye comment na wi ma mi ti o Christian
Sompa chede no dey wo catch up say odi man so e kwan be so fa so
me the number to ja
is it through only Momo
ubetima ba officer
okay
ye din komo to say 100 million now person the brain no basro ha no ma Bayport for say omu wie ya me je Sompa chede wa ya ommekwa aba say medical sama catch them can from him to ban farm I say Bayport musika ma yo Christian va vite alors
Omanhene fa konya we suna ye fan check ese mu bira nyamede na chew na obi epu na ma na o hwe Sompa TV yen so ET radio Sompa FM 93.1 na edu ebra etisi say na ye energy sem enkomo a emanipa enya abotoyem enkomo a ebema Ghana mani wi asmani asantemani obi bia be hu say eyampansem ya metidie efi Kennedy de geta sela hwe na eyensema amame akazakasa meniaje mesra so wanya akonya na sa wo TV na two different telephone numbers screen so fe ni obetumi afa bia ne fa nkita hudie bia e fa home appliances ho ya person ni Kennedy ni mesra fa telephone number no yenso yetie radio no numbers na 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 Vodafone also 020 765 3031 020 765 3031 no man anopay dey home appliances one sem and the Ghana money sentiment ni wiasme nyina meka o man dey be tell say fridges TVs air conditioners kettles ayons ne blenders ne sanema we nyina abeka yendada setena ho ya ye dey bobra se bi ni fia e be fie nya nika e me fie nye akono e man ye me bi anka unya ya anka opesa wo be ye nika wuntimi nye etoda oyire ne okunukun efise TV ni fie mo frampo bewe etoda oyire ne oba eko efise ma me ye nkwan ni wie no ka kire oba se bie nkwan no se ne fesi wo ada ye fridge ni fie nti ye bie so ananya hwe oba ntia se wakokata so ama ade atie nkwan na se e de problem ba fie senka fridge wo fie a na nka ye de nkwan ne se fridge mu abanka problem bia ama na okobusa ho sem se na ma be de na mo fa nkwan na nhye fridge ma o se ye ne fridge ni bi na ma me koto bi o se da bi ena no me ko ba bi bo na o mo bo me no minto anopa yi renti na Kennedy aba o se ye fridge ho da dwen pa na wo tirim se ye TV ho da dwen obi de o se ni fie hyesan konya air condition ni bia enso ko ha ko busa bo na ontumi nto anopa ka wakoma to yem ye enti na Kennedy aba ya basa ne ma we ye kan dada sitna ho ye fridges ye kettles ye irons ye blenders ye deep freezer hodo ye air conditions ye microwaves ye rice cookers sade mo we ye be kan dada sitna ho ya ye ntumi nyimfiri Mr Kennedy si eni kwa se bo no ye den etini bo na ayefuo Kennedy ase 32 inches ni bo na fo 43 inches television ni bo na fo say air condition 1.5 horsepower na ope 2.0 horsepower na ope 2.5 horsepower na ope eni mo we nyina bo ayefo e wo Kennedy ase ya ye bo ne dafom se sika keto na ekura wo wadwe o se wuntimi nto no wo de ba wo beto no wonya sesa de akofie enti Kennedy yensem nyina ni say open fridge, open TV, open kettle, open iron, open blender, open microwave, open air condition. Name open baby and no na for side papa. And for one inch baby. Ashe no a Kennedy digital seller. Baby I will be a Kennedy delivery services. Nationwide or Tereponi or Tumu or Wale or Damango baby I will be up per se. Ye ni bi man one kita hu die pen on ye bedi. Number 0244 385 128. Edino a Kennedy digital seller. Now my semi I can want semi baby de bia say enipa ti wiase na say obraba obo woni adwuma ya o ma na asemo ya adwuma ehu hia because o man bekoso a adwuma enipa ni bebrebe su di adwuma ye enwuma ni bi ho awokopa ye say wo certificate kura no o krata no de kura no we onwie JSS in 20 minute adwuma ni bi where one course senior high school went to me be only masters only degree and only doctorate and quite a woman and a funny and to want to me near many be another debbie Mr. Kennedy so why I say horma you created my fefe Oman, you created my fefe. It doesn't really matter where you are. It doesn't really matter where you're coming from. Baby, I will free by and found certificate to crown and found. Oman, baby, I make a say, Mr. Dam say, Manus Minaso, or be crown or say, or disabled and night, then some problem or man, that's almost one to me near Manana. Mr. Kennedy, you made Abano, send your wood here beer on my way to my money. And the man make a for me. Oh man, Kennedy, that's a lie. Obaganum, Hayama Fudia, I so simple. Yama fudia ya kono oman Kennedy fufu pounding machine business and what's no man pay me okay Kennedy fufu pounding machine oman da dia ba ko pa na wuhia because obi kura say na fufu machine na me hia bi ye delivery services nationwide across Ghana baby awo bia no wuhia Kennedy fufu pounding machine bi na wo de asi man twa baby na wo de yadwuma na sika wo benya e de agu botom na oman bra wo de bebo no oman eselipa ani ese won ka kire enti obi ahia bi Kennedy fufu pounding machine. Oman ade ba ko pe na uhia obeso be. Oman de hia se wa tobi na ode si mantra baby. O se aha ye wo fufu wa ha because oman Ghana ha 100% ogan obia di fufu man. Obia di fufu die okwa obi di fufu ba bia obia di fufu oman be ni fufu abede che di fufu na na di fufu obia di fufu enti kwan be na be foso e be fufu die no e so simple. Oman se mete hey. Me ma me ya bra fi ko fa me he na makogina fufu so di tententi. Oman wonyame Oman kwani nyina ko school wona obetu kwanko boarding house ne hunko no ba enti oman Ghana ha obi ehia Kennedy fufu pounding machine ni bi oman big time business utobi na odi si baby na odi ye adwuma o masika obenyan esika bebrebe so na message tuga fa telephone number no na ehwo behia se Ghana also obi anya adwuma ye se nipa no me sra me kasa why disable why akokora why branch why ketesia oman caliber of person bia wo ye bia unya Kennedy fufu pounding machine na odi si baby na odi ye adwuma oman de sika bebrebe why the branch ni board ye ba oman owo no ajusika when the bank board eba owo no ajusika o man na sika ade eno dede ubenya no me sraw bra be tobi na wa experience because had ye kasa na yeka enti sro be bia wo bia no Kennedy delivery services nationwide across Ghana na man ehwo be hia se obi anim se fufu ade nkwan na ade enti no ye de Kennedy meko machine aba ya abrofo meka se Kennedy pepper machine o man de bia baby awo bia be tobi me se wato fufu pande machine bia me ka forma se obehia meko machine bi e de ka oman obi bi se meko machine e de oman se de fufu pande machine no ewo fufu no under 1 minute fufu dudu bia egu ma odi wo bia awo no Kennedy meko machine no eyam meko oman eyam jena akikadu ntos atosudie bia ye de ye nkwan bia no oman sa machine no ebe yam ne kama man na ne de ne se dudu bia wodi begum ne se da asema meko da asema na odi gum eyam nya do da asema akikadu bibia odi begum bia under 2 minutes ebe mo kama enti we kan form restaurant akese choba akese ya ye nkwan ahodo ne stews ahodo no me kan form be tobi ne fesi wo because say ne ntimi karisa ne be we sieti so say de ko be yakoyam oman enunye enti we restaurant we choba me kan form say fabra na ebra be tobi o Kennedy aso ne numbers na 0244 385 128 number ni biem 0244 385 128 Vodafone no 020 765 3031 na oman obi se ope Kennedy aso aba honom oman Kennedy ye wadum mfimfim baby a free baby a no faka na wo se aduma wo se ko family plaza building no baby a Kennedy tonton the TVs and the fridges ne fufu pande machine no oman from beside bra na make sure say ye niam no ye ntone wo fom udu fom obi se Kennedy niam di binia enya no kre from beside bra make sure say wo premises of Kennedy Tasela na stamp pursue receipt na ti no e Kennedy Tasela stamp Mr. Nkanfo nyɛ ko wager old barrier Kokro Bite Junction on the main Castle Road on seni faso traffic light na so pe Kennedy Tasela honum Mr. Patase your Doom House Kennedy Junction from Bosana ko adie bia fe no mo place bia no e bia ho kettles ahodo fridges ahodo TVs ahodo na mom Kennedy fufu pande machine die e adwuma kese e ma remfi ya the popcorn machines ni meko machine ne e blow machine nyina bia ba oman ya de be so Ghana man
okay
no must need to no ma we aba adwuma ni a for person black Canada so anybody nyina be mo akọ na yatete ne kakra numbers ne 0244 385 128 what up on 020 765 3031 kan wo je wo bare kokro bi tejansi edum family plaza bedroom patase you wa dom house Canadian o ma se tie se home plans e ho de ba itima e fa ne ekoto e de no
Kennedy digital satellite okay nyami sha so pa Kennedy digital satellite na mo te won kano ena no pay ya jo chenkomo e wa ha no mo no maka chem se Bayport for e wa ha na oti Bayport wa na ubusa se Bayport savings and loans ano pay Collins Kwesianchi regional manager northern sector e wa ha Docas Nyakwa branch sales officer Kumasi Amekum eso ha my lady and my gentleman me mama Chimakwaba
ya Omanhene
na mo pom to say baby I will call okay my memra won chain me dey me wa hanu ma na ti say mo se mo besra me enti mo nante se na ni say
yo Omanhene
Sompa FM
we dey Docas ye Sompa ni dika ye bet chia wahwefo ni watiefo
that's right
na ene ba ye nkura do bone ye Sompa FM ne Sompa TV ene mo aye adwuma
that's right
emre kakra bi mu yi ye hyase ene mo ye adwuma no ye hu adwuma no impuntu a ahyase ye ebem
that's right
enti na e wo se ene ye tutu ya namo na ye ba ne ye besra mo na eniema na mo ton ma ye no amoda so ton no na enchiremu bi wo ha ye de atodwa
good one
ye ba ya semina no
yo ya pamwa kwaba na Bayport for fixed deposit ye fan chance en free ho fixed deposit na answer na kra no onso bi ho no ma onim Bayport ne kofare bai ebu ho no ma wati Bayport ebu aport no kra ye ne seja mamu yi niema the Bayport savings and loans eti bonneto for my ne kofare bai emfi amode aye adwuma ene mo amode abo adwadifo ne wona omone mo aditwuma no
omai me da se said ye okaye no Bayport savings and loans ya wo omai mu 21 years
21 years
oh na
experience the dewa
Bruni Becker say ya provide financial solutions to Ghanaians in general for the past 21 years.
Wow.
I say sika hudwa na ye ba omai mu yedi be 21 years na Bayport story no ye share Bayport nasi wo asanteman mu e wo boase na de ye ne say ye ma loans a chese ye bo besia ye diskama
Sompa FM
any enjumaifo ti ye show ase wo boase no na mines for no na eni omo hyase eni e ma omo workers no loans na mi adom ye ni ye no according to regulator Bank of Ghana ne mraso nti e ma ye tre ya hwem eni graduate ya be financial services institution ye woman na 2017 yenya the status of Bayport savings and loans ti ye hyase no na payroll lending na ye na 2017 ye the product ne bika ho ti hona ye wo fixed deposit ti fixed deposit nso ye de buy no ya kopim samri mra wo ho a kire se odi sika ebeto ye honoma usika no obesa abeto no ye di samra no so Bank of Ghana emrem sa ebepim ene nti adwuma ye ma loans ena usika nso wo honoma na odi abeto ye honom ko invest nti eye enwuma ye
bayan hwade ene with the advent of domestic debt exchange no ne sane nti ema any bank restructuring something e kudru maybe na ama oni want to ye ne adenti na ama ehu aba Moses will be 91 days 182 days 365 days a whole year or the fixed or the sikabex chomoa mo ka kire ye said
okay ni woman na ni etia said the usika ye o man from aboni bi abo
that's right
e usika obi de be kwakoto baabi na office
what the hum faso that be
ni sika no bɛyɛ a emre mu no sika no ɛho enkoba asɛm na company na ankasa nso no adwuma a wɔyɛ no emra ma no ho kwan sɛ ɔyɛ
korɛ
ɛhɔnom ɛne ne ebinum wɔ hɔ a ɔmantimi anyɛ saa ne ma no ma ɔmo de ɔmo sika kɔto baabi a ɔmo nya problem na Bayport Savings and Loans ne nti ama ɔde sika bɛto yɛ hɔ a ɔda no wada ɛne sɛ sika yɛ a yɛgye yɛnso yɛmfa nkɔ reinvest wɔ baabi ansa na yɛnya ho nsiwɔso ne abɛma obi daabi yɛde ane sɛ ɔman yi mu in terms of market share ɛyɛ Ghana ha financial institution biya ɛwɔ Ghana ha nyina banks wɔ mu nyina loans dodoɔ kora yɛde ama adwumayɛfoɔ ɛwɔ ɔman mu yɛne yɛwɔ the largest market share.
Oh
yes, in terms of the volume. The reason is that your steady market no ehu baabi a yɛde esika kɔhyɛ a ɛbɛsan aba.
Okay.
Ɛno ne aban adwumayɛfoɔ. Ɔman mu ayɛwe Omanhene wa onim sɛ aban bie ni hɔ a ɔbɛba a ɔbɛka sɛ mintua aban adwumayɛfoɔ ɛntimi nsi. Ɛno nti ne yɛn Ghana ha wɛka bia ɔgye na ketua o controller bia onim Bayport. Nti no oba na obe invest usika no wɔ hɔ 91 days 182 days or 365 days you're committing to giving out to payroll lending.
Okay.
Abosome so a controller betete ansa na nipa ne benya na ketua no na yesika wɔ no hɔ yate amaye at source nti sɛ adwuma ni ya boy abaso
madim huni
ye huni a Ghana ha ye the product no accord to the access of
Sompa FM
clients nti Ghana ha nyina baabia adwumayɛni wɔ bia no Bayport Savings and Loans office wɔ nurses so teachers so worker bia bunkrugu your office wɔ hɔ baabia nti ye the product na about the doorsteps of the client nti yen yɛde no yɛmfa ne yɛnso akɔ invest wɔ baabi
or the kodoko na koko
anso and na bia haircut bi aka no anase bibi nothing of that sort nti wodi usika eba beto ye hɔ no ma adwuma yɛn di yɛ nie
monsi hu no so yɛ
yɛsi hu no so yɛ ɛna ɔbra yɛ boy Omanhene adwuma a woyɛ bia no ɛwɔ sɛ unya sika bi to baabi
yes no dear
na wodi sika ne to baabi na sɛ bi bia wodi akoto bank bi yɛmfa bi nka ho enso yɛ betete charges any niema na wo boa no na the Bayport Savings and Loans be invested because ya na manfo ehun the difference between investment and savings investment no any say wodi sika akoto baabi say obi mfa nya adwuma na mfa so ma
na wonya bi
na wo se hu adwuma ekro no adwuma a ode ye emra ma ho kwan adwuma no wa wo hwa mfa so bebam ehun ma asem eno na yaya kopim samri a obi odi ne sika beto ye ho bia no match da ebe match obi a da na principal no any interest ni nyina abeto wo phone so na wo advice ye opese
roll over mon sampa no tum bi
opese uyi interest na uja principal na no aboya mane nti de wo pe na obeka che
as a flexible
ne sama ne ye fene se udi sika na koto ho na ebia ye no wahyehyɛ 3 months na ebia sika ne de ho be 2 months ebia challenge bi aba
oye ne bitimi
ba ama wo se o me ba na ma ba betem ni
Sompa FM
ne ye ka ne se enna dodo okura sika ne di we ho no ye be calculate ade insihu ama yen ka se
okay
ebe attract penalty se
bu o man penalty kwa usika kwa am se
emma
obu o su kwa won pa ma da
exactly enti no obi a odni sika
se boba ne siwo
sa obi a odni sika beto ye ho bia no can testify say
so for instance I said I want 91 days
exactly
and at the 70th day something crucial has happened now my friend must say bia I invested 1 billion. Can it be possible say bia I want to withdraw 500 and keep the 500 possible say half of the investment no semwa nkamenya half nanka de aka no ma continue is it possible
and we are friend early termination and you know nado kwa no share na enru asembiaba opese odiska no committee bi ni han so be place call na the forms na bro mo assign say o terminate ti terminate ye na no na partial one na opese oje no akoto account mu ama na ya reinvest the account
Okay.
at your own instructions.
Okay.
Nti sani ye no.
But that's very flexible.
Exactly.
Because a lot of institutions, or
And
cast 6 months, or cast 1 year, as a chess, only Nanyasem, or cast who terminate, it can take you months.
Exactly.
It will create me quite court or some.
Exactly. And at the FA woman say, yeah, cashless system. Omanhene say, only Ashisha say, ube invest it, away, only no ka duration, no, now you agree on the rate. You don't need to carry the money to our offices, no, because of the situation at hand. You're very flexible. You're
Sompa
account numbers with some commercial banks. Your name says our banks, we know. If you baby, you can just walk to any of those commercial banks and then deposit that money into Bayport Savings and Loans account. Exactly, and send us the pay.
So let's say
Fidelity Bank.
Fidelity waha, Stanbic waha.
Exactly.
Now me besa me save or Bayport, me investment. I can go to Fidelity and tell them say
ye be my account number.
Me ye Bayport How did you do that?
Yes, we have an account sitting with them, and the account name is Bayport Savings and Loans.
Whoa.
Then the amount you know can agree you deposit it there and screenshot the paying slip to us.
And you are done.
Then we create the fixed deposit, and then we send to you the fixed deposit certificate. On the certificate, you will find.
You give update.
Exactly. On the certificate, you will find the principal amount. You will find the interest rate
Accrued.
No, interest
Agreed
rate
upon.
agreed upon.
Yeah.
You will find the interest accrued. You will find maturity date. All of this.
Yeah. So that's transparency.
Transparency. Until you know, they are forward the certificate now. Until you hold in your hands a certificate that certifies that you have this quantum of money invested with Bayport on this.
Then no crowd to me they collateral.
Exactly.
And no crowd to my is a cheap baby ama only will be a business crana.
Exactly.
And I will be so if you catch yourself opening here. Where your Bayport certificate. My year a year in the next 4 months a be mature. It's no my year dear. But I see me here. Ebi emprempre you be the idea, you know. You wait to one mona, it drew on ma. It's a big collateral.
Exactly. So eno na ya wo man mu. Enti omo a omo ne edi dwuma de.
Sompa FM.
So sika betu Bayport a. Edwuma ye de ye ne titru. And a Bank of Ghana my certificate. Your records nyina e wo ho bia no. You can go onto your platform, you can see the financial statement of Bayport year on year. Audited financial reports. That puts us in good standing.
Okay.
And the international nature of Bayport, and nema esa edimu fuape. Bayport ewo 9 different countries. We do the same type of business. 9. We are in South Africa, we are in Mexico, we are in Colombia, we are in Tanzania, we are in Botswana, we are in Zambia, and what have you. We do the same thing. Intino obibeka se Abia, mose mode bo abaye edwuma efo besia and ye deduct at source. Abia, there are delays in
salaries and things.
Yes, salaries and then returns from controller. How do you survive? It's very simple. The international nature of people, it's a group, and at any point in time, the group comes to support.
You are liquid.
Liquid.
As some of us all kinds.
Yes, at any point,
you are liquid. So bankruptcy is nothing of that
sort. And no, enema.
Emma who say, "What do you see? Bank no one see a chiba." Okay.
Ade Akye no. Enti se ebi ene obi wada ne abeka kire say usika wo baabi enti no ye ntimi ntua ye teso any those things no.
All right. But mama called doctors so na me ni enkomo na mo time no kra mo ya mama and na we am just me ko tua bi ka ho mabo. No enkomo na ye dama. Doctors ye share we no apart from fixed deposit ni ade no. Adwadifo no ma no so mo ni o mo stremu te sei. Say bia opeso obeje busia bodua bi e de koye e de hye na dwuma mu ne ade no eno so te say.
Okay, me that's your mind. Apart from
Sompa FM
controller loans are yedema abenjuma phone. Before na yema ejadifo ma loans any but because of some default rate being
okay,
you hold on for now.
Okay.
nti for now ne de because say osika no de beto ho a ye betimi abo ho ban na obe emra obe peska bia we ho bia benya bia amount for now no ye rely on the right source I think
that's positive. Yeah. Then the panel may ye na chi no ma be ka asem bia che
abaya say ye bo omo ho ban nti no ejadifo man no enhyehyɛ ye gusu a eno so no ye besan ba back to omo ba for now there ya holding on for now I control and kwan ye ma omu loan
report for mo ye no kwafo
Exactly.
I'm telling you the truth.
Yes.
Obi an kan busa an ko say because me my investigation kakra.
Yes, exactly.
Tinka wo chia no an ka me che. O ye no kwafo. Obi ye ni adwadufo tetere wo ni ade nso ntesa.
Yeah, Debbie.
Ghana hade ba ko amehunu na adwadufo be bre ni nukre. Now with the advent of Ghana card ne digital address system say as na be kakra ho. Ukobo bosia na wantua untumi mo bosia bia wiase bio.
Oh yes.
Because your credit worthiness will be with every bank.
It will be the credit bureau.
Say your ball udia se munimu a your ball udia na udina yaba na ye kire say oje bosia wo ABC untua ma obi aye dey enye ye. They are Montana. We are in the abbey. To go a bus house in a Ghana card, more one go just want to find now the soccer. Okay, today na Mudija Ghana for you.
So mine, that's Ghana for
Sompa FM.
Asuma Yasum Omai, a Yesika Semu. Say, oh, Sikabina, Opesa or the two baby. It will be more manage investment, but the right place and no problem.
Yeah.
To the right place ni be port savings and loans odusika na betu ha de ede no ebema wenya eho ensi ho na northern sector ha ye Kumasi amekum.
That's right.
A traffic light na se e brekum ye wo lorry park no opposite Abronsai so
okay.
Okotamale any radio justice na edi ewa adan back home okwa ye wo wa station no enche honom numbers and I made it to
Fatuja.
Na upese oni edi ejuma betima free kofi 0244 80 72 38 ubetima free edna 0244 36 39 77 and ubetima free dockers so 055
dockers wa 055 811 92 81. These numbers so from Joseph Bayport Savings and Loans. Your future now. Yamin come home. Come home. Okay. Yet to Jumadian so how many Mabeja for twaso na ya to twe enkomo. Okay. Na ya koyanim Honorable Hamdan ewa hano moda dada meneno shasiye na Honorable George Opon so ba ya twaso enano pay ya dwene o my Ghana ho pepeso o my na do kodro no esan na eko NDC amanyoko se wo mode de friend no rescue mission o my no akoto amrem ombeyi o my no na omode o mampani John Dramani Mahama enebeyi o my no every ho ni nimde ne nyansa ne ntutu ye nyina no wo de eba Yura, former MC Ewaha, Georgia, Opon, lawyer George Opon, Kane, na oye, presiding member, Ewa Honomo, or non so Ewa Hanomo Sisia. Eddie, George, what by the transit? Now, him say I'm done. I'm saying, oh, didn't come over watching. George, now I'm to say.
Nyame
Bibi aboko.
Adomnenti.
Na MVP mo campaign ko say.
Nyame adom.
All about Tahama me.
Beni there.
Omanhene.
Yes. We want you. We want for Adom. We your party be there. Adom. I'm not.
Beni there nyame adom.
Bibi aboko there.
Den fe sabile aba no.
Mo campaign no.
Emu gyina
mo den.
Na hu se dey say asama ama euphoria na ya. Amanfo omo a apostles of mokwa ama kokoto fam ni abompa ya amam. E no mo so kokoto fam.
Sa.
No campaign the air.
Ale mama hwa na
I pressure no den. Na nansa no ahwe ewura mampani dada
your mama. Ai, boko jim paibo. Na dey.
Nya twomfo na na bo ma no.
Nya twomfo be.
Oh, now oh my nansa onya carrot.
That's a carrot.
You see, nansa ya. Se wo sore a. No akokoto fam. Ni abompa ya ma. Okọ hene ho na egu nsa. Okọ ha ni abompa ya ma.
Ah, o pani John mama.
Oh yeah, I say CSOs. Omo nyina they are all hypocrites.
Sompa FM.
Sa so for na nanom ne ade. And the ban say na sa hypocrisy ya za go to from zo mompa ma. You see asante for kasabi. Also bi nya say bia.
Gope.
O baby. This na o hini bi mompa ye ma. Ohun nsa ma. Sofo bi mompa ye ma. Adifo bi mompa ye ma. Na say o pese o ye bia. And your approach is obedi or matter. And then how do you reconcile your previous position to your action today? Na ni nyina ye yura Mahmoud ba o campaign na aso to say jay de petrol gu mu no. And na man pata bribri ne his confusion so e ba ne sa onza akokohwe de water ban. But pressure dan so gidigidi otimi wura ku si ebon. They say pressure net yura mama so. And then the kokoto me empire mom where his previous position is directly inconsistent with his current action.
Honorable Hamda. More campaign kosai introduction ke kamiko busa na campaign kosai.
That should tell you how people are struggling to explain themselves.
Okay.
At the end it's simple. We are going to the people, more can adia betumi aye. And we should say ahini nyame na de ma nyame na betachi wo heart da wakoto aba no nyame aya amae asidan kwa na ebeda nyame ase na me no ahwe ne ekoso a on Thursday ask him meeting be na course of Flagstaff House last week Thursday ask him they sat down and had a meeting omo ankase eyi nipa se omo nkoye research enhu abato na weba se eba se obenya 36%. Yes, but Mahmoud Bawumia Thursday. So on no ninkra me aminaka on kubisa chief of staff. Some chief of staff can or meeting ho. Say
Bawumia benya 36%.
Or see anka around 49 krana anka betime dream. That's what she said at the meeting.
This is not true. And you know how can you come and say this? The fact that you make us
why you so say you. About John Mahama. I have not said anything. You spoke about John Mahama.
It is not true. What did you
lie about John Mahama?
Tell me the lies. Tell me the lies.
Flagstaff House.
Tell me the lies.
Hello. Hold it. George, hold it.
I'm talking about.
I'm done.
Master, do your own cross check.
I'm done.
Sir, I have given you dates. Last week Thursday, meeting Ben Akoso of Flagstaff.
It stands to be an allegation coming from Hamda.
Yes. So I said go and check.
Very good. That is what you're putting across.
What I'm saying is that on one casano, research our
EBT lose elections.
Another thing, all credible institutions in Ghana and internationally are on my research and a PSA about Onomolusu. Until you can do all you want. And they've predicted, say, Sikana Ewohono. She say in Ghana Scano, yeah, Tita Pansam, yeah, checks and a increase vote, but it won't change anything. We are focused. Ashanti region is turning this time. Omanhene. Ashanti region is turning. I have left Accra and I'm here for the past 3 months and I won't go back. So we will not go back. We are here until say this year, more. In some in some hununa mudi na ye bu pooling agent na ye tina about so utuma NDC na ye twasha ni yinara no ebesia no. This time around, no single vote in Ashanti region will go unprotected. So yet yenim say election na eko election so nipa na eto aba nipa no to aba na nipa so na ebe kan say omo kan 1 3 6 and we I came because this time around we have mechanism to check that. Into yet the say Ghana for Ubia Shana sitting no to abapa. Usha was sitting no who send a Numa Esiko and then inflation you're saying 21.5. One John Dramani Mahama left. Ubia when your economic grew. Now inflation you're saying
18%.
So it's clear. Dollar is wait, you do me say MPP for any Kumasi for crack as NDC, you don't need to do campaign. Maybe I could be say Debbie. We don't want to leave chances. And we're going to work. Yes,
so your projection of 35%
we can even exceed that. Bawumia is going to be the worst performing presidential candidate in the life of the Ghanaian politics. This time around. You bet me. Bawumia is going to be the worst performing presidential candidate in the life of this country because everything shows say prayers. MPP should be ashamed to talk about prayers. John Dramani Mahama has been consistent in telling Ghanaians that I'm a Christian and I'm proud of being a Christian. I feel ashamed as a Muslim sitting here. My colleague, my brother Muslim is denigrating Islam. How? And then we are Christian. Ochina, we are Muslim. Ochinachi, we are Muslim. Who are you?
If I go to visit, church,
is different.
Does I make
good? I visit churches when I was the MC. It's different, but when you engage in the worship, then it becomes a sin in Islam because my man culture me call Asoria. When they are dancing, I don't dance. When they are giving communion, I don't because I'm a Muslim. Sana John Dramani Mahama Waba Muslims when we are worshiping, he doesn't perform ablution. He doesn't engage in the worship of Islam because he's not a Muslim. So there are different say, yeah, invite you as a guest. No aba worship we are no wakasa. But when you as a Muslim go to church and start dancing and singing,
sorry na me ba Islam. Na ebia me Christiani. Na ye friend nyame na me bunko to dwani bia I'm denigrating Christianity.
Yeah, it's not accepted even in Islam. We won't allow you to mimic the prayers. No. Once you are not a Muslim, you are not supposed to engage in the worship. Period. Christian, what's when I go to church? When they are because I don't believe in that. Worship I don't believe in that. I'm a guest.
Now, what has it got to do with elections?
No, said your mama. And I'm telling you some Bible. This is not the first time. John Mahama is a Christian and he believes in Christianity. It is our worship. Although you're better than Obia and Anopa or a Christian, Area or a Muslim ni, Anajo or a Busum. That is a clear difference.
All right. Some few minutes to yes.
You see,
but discussing
consistencies and how they are struggling to.
When you are there, and you're careful, we're doing this, but there are issues to discuss.
Give me 1 minute. You see the hypocrisy.
Give me 1 minute.
You see the hypocrisy. You have been a chief executive before and after your time. I was the presiding member and I knew you very well. He was going to every church. Exactly. At that time, you said so.
Don't lie.
Don't lie. At your area. And then,
church, mention one church.
And then, you even confirm here.
I said mention one.
You even confirm here.
Sorry.
Yes. But don't say you see. You mentioned the church.
Why didn't I? Why didn't I know? You see, sorry. Let's say, sorry. Now, as a guest. Mahmoud Bawumia who kwans or sorry as a guest. No sorry also near Bompire manner. On can't me once our sorry in the congregation. Or we any mission or the corner. So for now my empire one can one.
So my umpire man.
I'm son one can one. How can this be?
American say there is a difference between going as a guest, as of Abompire than going to engage in the worship
na
get the difference
ba
clear.
mi akwa odi communion ana
Odi communion.
Ewa,
Tell me which church. What to him?
tell me which church
Oh,
okodi communion tell me which church
go and check. Go and check.
when I walk tell me show
All
me.
right.
Our video.
Hello.
Everybody sees.
Let's not belabor. Hello. I'm done. George, let's hit the grounds running. Ata, discussion, Mami Tio, just 2 minutes. Can this make any change in elections?
No. Again, we must speak to the substantive issue. What new is John Mahama offering from what we dispensed with in 2016?
That is what I'll come to him to talk about. And
How can George and everybody involved in his party look into the eyes of Ghanaians and still see say NPP are generally better managers of the economy when a deputy finance minister had stood in the August House of Parliament? No, I Ghana for any country say yenko IMF da. Ade Akye Abia. That is deception. We would want this discourse elevated to that level. That's so through. That's your answer.
all right. Thank you very much.
I think this is a very good tone. We have always wanted, and that's why we are even calling for debate.
That is why I don't pay more in the next.
You are
Hello.
me. Don't
Oh,
worry.
sure.
Hello.
Don't worry.
But we will say
I'm
it in the
John.
periphery.
What about there?
John and DMB, they should
They
debate.
are not the same class.
Judge.
Judge will never debate.
Judge, you
But
there.
let power maybe debate.
May time no.
Now on your class, I
Yes,
will.
sir.
Hello, let's go. Yeah, percent. Time no is shakakra. It's Mr. Ma. Ya kadi ebeka. Let's hit the ground running. George, Mamimra won't check. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the New Patriotic Party, incumbent government, Mufi say, Juma Maye, any Niama, Modea Tujano, a fata, se Ghana for a Simusu. Mamintio.
Me that's the Omanhene. Ma minika encha wetie for no ahwefo nyina. Na mencha Yera Mahmoud Bawumia ne no kami any Samira Bawumia oba Ashanti region.
Yeah.
No oba be di dwumaso aboa party no ene ne nkoso. Enkomo ya odi aben ye yo enema mienu a betimi di atoto ho. Like Ata said, ye betimi di atoto ho side by side. Na ya choice. Very simple nkomo no. Because Sompa FM be president for 4 years. We're the caretaker president for 6 months. We're the vice president for 4 years. And 3.5 years because of the caretaker president. And a Juma way in Sanu Juma. Any Yura Mahmoud Bawumia Waba, our vice president, on your president da, on also Sani Juma as vice president. And Kaya to one, Kedebato 2. Omo vice president omudi ye no obi amade mo awo boy na nke ahwe obi ade said the other boy ne boss Emma Ghana e fa na ntima pefre ntin komo no very simple 2012 Yera Mills free nyame to ne safre na Yera Mahama buy ya obi di ade no obaye na inflation da sen ofri so na da sen obaye no na dollar rate da sen ofri so na yesen okono na energy sector na te sen electricity or buy no or they could lose saying yen come ma ye be simple na yen kan nyina mom emma enkoye say yen timi nsisem sesi ya ye ka say at the time he took office the inflation was around 9% or kon na 18 when timi anfa amafem or kono that time no na GDP at that time wana for a piano group at a certain level, 8%. Middle income and Yera Mills went to as much as 14%. Yera Mahama be so as manager of the economy.
Gross domestic product.
It came to 3.5% and signed the leave office. Now Greek, now Eda saying. So we will put all of that side by side. Now, Oya vice president, you know, what were the policy implementation policies are with me? Spearhead ya Ghana for edi hu for so enne ye betimi dia kai Yera Mahama said at the time where vice president you know these were his initiative or the things he championed in support of the boss ma yetimi de bae sa eno so nkomo na ebedi na ya hwe Yera Mahmoud Bawumia na ya hwe adwuma obaye waba abebo ni wura amanaye solutions that he has proffered in support of the boss because leadership It's all about offering solution to your people and making the plight of your people ameliorated. That is all it is. Yen nikurano, ye betimi the digitalization, the accredited Yewura Mahmood Bawumia. Yen nikurano, the zip line, the drone services, ye betimi the accredited no, amongst others. Say ye anwa, ni ababa say. Going into the future, what is it that Yewura Mahmood Bawumia he proffers on the table for the people of Ghana? What is it that Yewura JM when we put the visions together side by side of the two candidates, then that judgment can easily be made. Yewura Mahmood Bawumia offer bold solution to his people. Walker said, "The man who said near my boy dene." And Yama boy no Nina and said, "Do na ye different man on the bano, the freight and the duty and all that, no, and Maniama boy den. No, who's a man for the Omaniama, a Togo, no mass smuggle they are in. Because a Togo duty no air force in Ghana, then I'm going to offer you a flat rate and a duty that is lesser than that of Togo or equal. That is the solution to that. And then also a flat rate when it comes to offer container a free. Abrochire now the aba container now different abrochire but you have your flat rate which you can plan ahead of time say eniema we am dey kon dey me kwa ani buoni na ankoye say enne ne buoni echina ne buoni he is offering solution to that. Now you who say electricity ne board ne this electricity board na what is it that you are bringing on the table? Said the Bema electricity no never akofem and Yewura Mahmood Bawumia say he is coming on board with the idea to bring about 2,000 megawatts of solar power. So what the book the way more it will bring down the cost to about 50%. These are the solutions that the man is bringing on the table. And then he is offering say children no we are in the AI world. Enti emrante ni nyina no the youth no enyina no yen hwehwe kwai befa so a ye betri ni omo in the coding system and the IT skill and on the order of the day and the Indians and they are very huge in the industry because of the IT. And when we are talking about somebody who can support youth in this regard, Yewura Mahmood Bawumia. So enyama pe na also dey back when it comes to agric mechanization or the situation ye betimi e de aboa ama order oni adwuma in the formal sector, they can also go there and make sure say the agric industry is becoming so attractive. These are the solutions he's bringing on board. It is not about 24-hour economy discotheque. It's not about 24-hour economy that we are going to pop overnight. And yeah, about Budon. And then yeah, about, you see, that is not the order. In 21st century, how on earth somebody who wants to be president of the republic in this day and age, different planets, and the vision, the opposite would be on board, and they say, Obabuami and Kokonkiti. Obabuama, 24-hour economy, our discotheques and our nightclubs will operate. This is the mindset. So, because at the time Nana Danko Akufo-Addo prophet to this country, one village, one dam, free SHS, giving solutions to the issues, And then, na Yewura JM say, "See, betimi aye free SHS, just a 20 years time." Now the minister, I say the communist state couldn't me free SHS. Now ni AD Felix say a political gimmick gearing amassing of votes. And then 20 years time now, so 2017 it was implemented, and now we have free SHS. About 5.7 million children have benefited from. It tells you that at the time when workers were beating free SHS, he was thinking ahead of Mr. John Mahama 20 years. Because he thought at the 20 years time, that was when it was going to happen. But it did happen. And the NPP and the Nanado Baumia government proffer solutions in the digital world no omo solutions nkokwayen omo proffer solutions in how the people of Ghana nipa amanfo eho behind omo in bold solutions to STEM ama science technology mass engineering afa ntima pefra no they are proposing in nkokwayen TVET with machines and then nkra na omo SHS so omo be we school omo fashion design they don't so omo treasures they so omo ntare no ne ade no omo the exhibition. That is the order of the day. That is vocation to obey pia bontin aba no ohia saba be me adwuma and then nkra no be bro 120 million 2,000 cedis as salary awon because we fashion or pamentary be 4 within a week here, so 2,000 when you. That is the order of the day, and that is the idea. That is the mindset. That is the promised land. Abraham Mahmoud Baumia, and the Ghana for Ghana for so because they see the vision. You see the difference between followers and the leader, and the vision and the solutions you proffer for the people. When you give up the policies, forget about its implementation and the difficulties it may run to, because said the enipa can only perceive the problem. When Anado was providing solution for one district, one factory, all he wanted to do is to curtail the unemployment situation. In Tibet, me abase, o plan is 1,000, but be anu 100 or 200. Yes, it's still good. Ebi ana so be one village one down. Said we can work in a great sector throughout the year. Yes, implementation there could be problem, but you can fix the problem because the idea is there. What is it that Yehura Mahama, after the caretaker president, after the vice president, after the presidency,
they have 2 minutes to wrap up.
After the presidency, what is it that he is coming to bring on board? Is it doing so for another 4 years? Then also they will be. And the Wakanyina has never inspired anybody in this republic. He hasn't given any hope, any new sense of direction. For which reason is the presidency in the man? Sankeba yena or tranchen. You see, opposition could and care the opposition campaign. You identify the problems of the incumbent. You proffer solution to say, solution. They should tell us what is it that they are coming to do to ameliorate the plight of the people of Ghana. And you banku boy den dokno boy den economy ni say e be run ni bi mu. Yes, banku boy den dokno boy den. E be den na wo ba banku no bo aba fam. Dokno ne bo aba fam in a typical layman's view.
Okay. Honorable Hamda. Amana Kasa 10 minutes. Mamima also 10 minutes.
I say this is simple. Minya. Your crew ha. Sanka NDC and John Dramani Mahama a party for fire.
Yenina Sompa.
Omunye bida. Inti ye nimni omu betchimi aye. Aye bema omu sa akunya. I mean chadye. NDC be yebi. MPP be yebi. Inti ye hu kufo time and you hu Jerry John Rawlings time. We can put them on the scale. And we done chair 2008. Yoko Kotuaba Emma you were at a mills in Yai. Onunso nye oba you who knew that time he paired with your friend John Dramani Mahama as the vice president. The records are there and clear. See you obia onye economist, our historian. In the life of this country on record, he did better than Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. At that time, the economy was better than today. He did only 4 years
Sompa FM
as vice president. And also Abe president. I will mention some of them because time will not allow me to do all. Then I will challenge my brother here to also mention concrete near 8 years, both your friend is saying Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo eni Baumia. Yeah. Let's leave national projects. Obia ewiase aye hoy. There are 3 areas in our lives a basic necessity I was saying. 1 is education, 2 is health, 3 is maybe a obenya duane. Ijuma obenya aye. So let's do the assessment. Education. John Dramani Mahama Estati say sisa ni nyina ye ne block. E wo Kumasi ha American. Education. O share nyoma ye within that 4 to 8 years is uncomparable to what is happening here. That is on education. Mean you say MPP e wo records. Your motumi aye aboa education e wa Santimamo, which is better than what we have done now. I can sit here and mention 25 classroom block, new classroom block to multiply by the entire your friend is saying the entire district. I can mention a Nurul Amin as Akwem Edukwem. I will mention all of them. Time will not allow me. Where a direct intervention, and the implication was the fact that Nipa Etimiko school ni Etimiko SS. And John Dramani Mahama, I'm shocked. MPP is trying to change the narrative. John Dramani Mahama is clear on his mind. Was say at that time, free SHS, a constitutional mandate. But as a planner, you can't jump because Constitution say provide food for everybody. Now you have to plan for it. And the plan was to build access, make sure that we have enough resources. Send a B school now. Challenges now up till now. And many or more John Dramani Mahama would not have passed that through. Anka by the end of his 4th year, no, Anka obey come. I'm a free SHS number. So in terms of education, record kitano is unbeatable. Go to the district. As a Kwamampo, me feel so no. Me who classroom a omesida. Onwa baby a PM. On kohwe. No hwe ne adwuma in education. Teachers are ya ma omo scholarship okusua there. Teachers are ya ma omo laptop. Teachers are ya che omo. And our time with them said that was the time starting blackboard. Yeah, the markers. Eba ya teachers use markers a child. Now, another chain. Ashanti region. Records I said is unbeatable. Health. Share hospitals are is it Kumawu hospitals up till now ferry. Say up till now Kumawu hospital. Adia ebe boa on mine up to now edaso.
Kumawu hospital has been commissioned.
Kumawu hospital.
Yes.
And then
oh yes. By the time NDC was leaving off it was 45%.
Yes.
Yes, here we and the Kumawu hospital is functional, is in operation.
So courtesy who NDC. You start here.
Yeah.
And then
Pacho, don't come here. Hold on.
Very well.
A Eurojet project, but NDC time and almost step foundation almost see here. So NDC na yeah. Pacho, Timmy, address me. Every hospital I was anti-mantem, I have the background.
Yes.
As you said, Kumawu Hospital. Once I drew your attention, say, and then over course is here. Yes. Very good. Continue.
Good. Military hospital.
Afari. Yeah. Commission.
And then say what?
It's yet to be commissioned.
I will mention more.
Okay.
I mentioned 3.
Okay.
On records. Your 2 foundation you started.
That's right.
Because I can't say obi adwini. Adwini the over to my dream. You can even dream say you are flying in the sky. you are entitled to dream. And I will share Ghana policy no obi to me dream say uko state of the nation's address it me can assemble the fact say wa kano eno nche say una waye
Opa akra che brefie
I miss
brefie ho
mention
brefie
don't bring it. So I mean oma bia no mo ye adwuma Abai hospital.
The next one is what
What they say no also.
Me mo ba ma.
How done?
What mo pa ma ta na mo ba. Yeah.
Can send them why? Hospital send them why?
This year 5 is in operation completed. Fully. I will get you the me WhatsApp program.
I'm done. You also missing that. When you bring him in
now agenda 111 so missing the nyina so be ma.
O share economy.
Hospital you survive.
O share your economy. The economic basis. But bia of a dollar exchange rate. And then businessmen are suffering is because of dollar exchange. Because whether you go and buy in the UK, in the US, dollar dominates the international commerce and trade.
That's true.
So we are there. I started going to Dubai over 20 years. Now dollar at 3.5. Up to date, it's moving around the same 3.5, 3.5, 3.6, 3.5. And because of that, they manage to run the economy and the economy grows. And now we get at $10,000. Okotoniyoma. Over between you know, $8,000. $2,000 is gone. Odi 8,000 echo oba. Sompa now $6,000. Another 2,000 is gone. It's by the end of the year, no. O capital now $10,000. About $2,000. You have to close your shop. Inti na o ni na ma won so obi a closing the shop. Inti eye den na 2016 Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo obeka ne badwam say me de me a lawyer ni. I know next to nothing about the economy. Inti na makokofa Mamudu Bawumia. Ono de sikasam ne economy na me da hye nsem. Enti say we have this verdict. What is it telling you? It means that Bawumia has failed. Bawumia has failed as an economist. And no na ye train a man for adwene say. Yen hwe nyoma ekoso. Na yen sesa na yen to abapa. Na yemra embassy economy no. Because ye identify say dollar a major factor in our economy. And the way to deal with it is say you cut 24-hour economy, they get confused. You start, you know, it abo mu hu a mo say yen cheche mu. Ye cheche mu so a mo say mo ntiase. Ye cheche mu wi a mo say mo ntiase. Now, we are not able to manufacture in this country.
For 2 minutes, yes, I will.
Because no me bebre wo honoma yen tumi produce ha onni sa raw material no. Say no. Never any say. We have a lot of youth who are coming from the school. Omunye djuma nye. Omu kra na omu wie dada na omu ye djuma no. Omu djuma nkoso. Nye nti. Anope wo sorry a. Wo ka se wo ko edum eba. Anopa no there's so much traffic. Obi a sorry Ghana anopa no opi. Into traffic, you know. Ade I also we know within 30 minutes, you know. You end up spending maybe 2-3 hours.
That's right.
So let's segregate time, you know. Omanhene me option say anopa me kwadwuma. Into anopa no me kwadwuma na me wia. Also option say ewia na obeko. Enti instead say me no nyina be sorry
akono.
Anopa na traffic one you are wasting fuel. Now omo ni fuel nso ube waste time na engine na kwan no kra na aye cho. Ni na no ebeba ase. Obi be option say oh me there anadwo na me kwadwuma. Do you know the implication of that? Our economy is going to triple. Because a Juma and Kawube 8 hours. Say you're 8 plus 8 plus 8. Into output, you know, by times 3. Omanhene, a Juma Awuye Wahasi. Said director, no, everyone one shift. Now at the end of the day, when you have profit of 2,000. Now as a manager, who the idea about say, oh director, a Juma ye. You bet me I 3 times within the day. Because electricity need there, also electricity can hear the whole day. And the cost is waste. Inti mayeno 3 times a day. Mayeno 3 times a day. Our profit now obenya 2,000. Say obenya no 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 6. Which director? Why? Which businessman? Now Odisa idea we ebema na obeka say.
Thank you, Hamza. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you. Universal Fire Chapel at the House of Solutions. Universal Fire Chapel, House of Solutions. Now, Omasem said, what works? What works when nothing is working? Now, Jumedie, Reverend Charles K. Fosu Emma Esini Naso, Yaton Safe Prophet Kojo Kwama, Apostle Simon K.D. Yeboah, Reverend Paul Attentim, and Apostle Owusu Banahine from the 21st to the 27th October 2024, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Free Juada, Ebenada, Ukwada, and the Fiada. They will be Yawadane there, Ombeye Anopa Asoria, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Universal Fire Revival Chapel, House of Solutions, and the Jumedie Ebremo, 21st to 27th October. Na onti bibiasia na opese ofra. Obetumi afre 0244 119 769 0244 119 769 and 0550 661 907 0550 661 907. Na bibia akoso kama tipa tomato mix and one say uko jasua what we said tipa tomato mix, no artificial colors, na the lycopene pigment a boa mema prostate asishimpa vitamin A, D, E and K so a womb na yemfa modified starch shemu a tomato noir. Bomodin so open doso porto 0203 403 400 0203 403 400. Yas Total Care toothpaste, Yas whitening toothpaste, Yas herbal toothpaste. Uko jaso na opeso chuchiro siye dia. Busa Total Care, busa whitening, ne busa herbal toothpaste. E baby bia supermarket bia obenya bi. E jaso bia. Ya what toothbrushes a hodo Monarch, Duke, Duchess, kiddie brushes, Emma Mofra, and impeni nyinara. Afe Dawood Herba 360 capsules and Dawood ointment no eba boaw ama honam atutu onum nyina afri ho unya capsules na unya ointment twitwia pains ahodo joint pains muscular pains rheumatism ni waist pains nyina afri ho Dawood 0244 886437 ejoso krapa anase fiasanyu so 0244 886437. Ensure your Kenyan and Magic drinking water. Nunumbi. This is the time we hear Kenyan. 8.5 pH alkaline water. And one say calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. Ashemu ma. Bomodina, it gives you optimal hydration. Esasoso MAO antioxidant ma. It me you feel free unipedium. Brema UGC Anata Funi Road, Abawa Road to Junction Hall. The water of the day. A Kenyan and Magic drinking water 0241 9191 0241 449191 0241 449191. Tony Sack Electronics na Ade birthdays no ebreyen Mr. Wa na no pay obi di na woda na wo de aseda na ma Tony Sack ono eno the property products aba TVs, freezers, fridges, air conditioners, washing machines, chest freezers, gas cookers, microwave ovens, rice cookers, blenders, kettles, home theaters, any electric irons. And do what's the matter is Usania triangle no. As the Karam canteen pobi any dish anymore. May common chain and so a ya danke see any Kumasi dino, yeneno edition anymore. Showroom kesiye upie o sunyani akoko board runabout baby a OA terminal no any dish anymore and a sphincters so 05000309
Sompa FM
309 na bibia nkoso emfa emao ene Kelvin Agbanyo of Aguna Government Hospital Emergency Unit Odina Woda Afe Emmanuel Boakye of YFM Yabo Amasio Maltrinkwa, Hilda Kosia Free of Sunyani Nurses and Midwifery Training College, Nana Pokupla, PSC Maltrinkwa, Matthew Kinsley Ousu, opening Kwabanatom of Ofokum SDA Church, Maltrinkwa, you are 90 years. Wow. Nana Kuya Kesiwa Kesi of Kumasi South Hospital and CEO of Keska Fabrics and Nesuso Ayawa Wota. Rose Ankama of Nyinahini, Berima Drove Nyinahini Mautinkwa, Ohima Monica, Nana B, and Nana Boakye, head of marketing. Hey, Ohima Monica. Nana Boakye, head of marketing. I actually away. Wait, now Ohima Nana Boakye is for Mautinkwa. My goodness. No. Ata would say. Ata. What's your almost 7 years? I'm about 5 minutes. Now, yeah, you're not famous. I'm wrong. Why? Only party.
Yeah, Obeka Manakusi Nina say Ghana for BB.
That's right.
NDC NPP. Why you cry the Ghana for be? No matter the discussions, baby, I can see. Jomama or the doom so by Ghana from person be call machibim and the economy now it is this kind of economy, it would come back to just two things. Jomama say person president. Obe can be Ghana for say and now me be me usue hu
Sompa FM
na minya ene so ma me to me say me Ghana ya ene ma bia me ye ya na enye no minya bi so and I call the other side. Now call aban ho a na ebisa aban ni NPP aban sesi an say. Ebo a mo share mo disu ana. Enu nti ne yenyina so ntaba mam. Omanhene. In the last 3 months to the elections in 2016, every argument about infrastructure in this Edeba Bontin Biano, they tried to rubbish what others had criticized about the Green Book. Inti no mubodi nka oh yaya interchange we wa oh yaya kwan we wa ha eno na ma president echo parliament na state of the nation address or here the then minority leader nim ka chen say obetimi afaso am abusu ekru wa kwan na
Yenina ye tie Sompa.
Now they wanted everybody to see evidence of their work. Then yet free the then opposition party infrastructure the basics of government. Aban bia to abama se bra na be yes anuman. Nemum Ghana for omujudi. So if you looked at MPP communicators in the last 90 days of the 2016 cycle, they were actually trying to discredit the cost component of infrastructure projects. Omufrio onye why then so bona e daso. Ye nyi nisa ne bo no.
Ti dream home.
Ghana for agidi nti no to abati a e chena jomama ba ponti oh so hwe interchange ya kaswa interchange no there were ancillary projects near bridge wa ha sabre no obi enti sasem no why because the communication had gone down.
Sompa FM
obetimi aka infrastructure asem but obi a obehwe NPP abayanim obi a obehwe lawyer George Opoanim obi a obehwe Napoanim Dr. Baumianim. The elections for the MPP is an election of trust. A GD or do any GD na Ghana for no one. A hinne das is here. If that trust and the level of trust in the current government and party was right, John Mahama wouldn't be a conversation. Bibian Sayo Mining. NDC NPP, the same actors we saw in 2016, 2020, and now the only change is that we've elevated the vice president
to that position.
Now, NSC 2020 should be a guide for everyone. So no matter the discussion on infrastructure, Ghana elections, no, and now to this say identity politics election.
Many.
You're born a many. If you are. This elections for the NPP is trust. For John Mahama is what? Trust. Yemfa to me ma obiem. They no than a diache inte o si nya omudwide. Yemma mo nto aso. Mo ka je say 11 ne ba enya de a ye be kwa IMF. 11 ne ba ye kwa IMF. Where is the trust? When you tell anybody in Ghana say near COVID year no say John Mahama ne o wa Nkebeye West, purely hypothetical. purely hypothetical no ni ntumi nsusu madwen yɛ me sɛ ɛmfa gyidi nhwɛ nipa mu ne mu wankasa ndɛn na wayɛ a yɛde gyidie no bɛto aba na ma wo.
That's the $1 million question.
Sompa FM.
Okay.
Election of trust.
My memory on chain. Memory na so. Obia or 3 minutes to wrap up.
Let me understand the question.
Obusa the question. Who ya no ye ni apo. I do that. Obia obusa question. George, my memory on chain. I thought we could raise 1 or 2 concern about trust. I don't know.
Sure. And trust is everything.
Okay.
And the entire Abema Ghana for Ade Akye Mahmoud Baumia Atum. Normally said GDR reposed that confidence in him and the power no. And they say he has acquitted himself well. Or no candidate or Ghana Hanuma will be able to share project and fantasy. It can never happen, and there's no record anywhere. In Ghana for being an emojiti. Or no candidate was a mini president. Miura Medina Chima ni president or Neniswadi Hunumeso or Media. Nedru baby a meme de ne de ani si pai enu nti no so ono oba ile go be ye free ho betting tax obi ye free ho ene me ne de ani baby wo ho e si pai nti me ye de foforo Ghana for be gina di no mo de tumi na hyenensa ye hunu ye kura mama ono waka kire so 2 million cedis a 2 billion cedis a on fan free SHS and there was why apostle of free SHS. How can anybody trust you? Yehu na waka kire o say enipa wo come here ko bobo mpaye ma akokotokoto a those people are hypocrites and ne wono akokoto se mo mpaye ma. How can people trust you on this? Yehu yewurajo mama ono no at the time no ono ye oye president no was wonye magic wontimi mfesi kan show bi aboto. Yehu jo mama at the time na teacher for try 3 years ni amo salary 3 months. We know his record. And then nothing na Ghana for intimi trust in him for and shedding say because you say maybe you need the shady why be dancer.
Sompa FM.
Mahmoud Baumia. What is it that he said he is coming to do to complement the boss? No wetimi aya na wontimi nye. It's as simple as that. Necessary man so wetimi aya ana wontimi nye ni nyina. Ye woni mugidi say so onya tumi no no be president on the taking decision the ultimate and the bag will stop at him there. Or no enya say to me na enema bia enka no one the boss onya adwen wo ho no sa neema no and then he will be the person and take the bullet of it on the be take his decision.
A minute more.
Enti ye de wo gidi absolutely say nsem a wo de atodwa and in the previous record ye de toto ho side by side ye wo gidi say Ghana for this to me in the better and say the same thing say enema omo de betu dwa na manifesto promiser ya de tu dwa de to Ghana for any no at least every Ghanaian can look at it and say about 80% has been achieved.
Okay.
Issue of trust. Answer na obeji ni pedi. I was first of all ni pano oji ni hudi. Omanhene oti we your identity is not in question at all. And I can have some level of trust. I know, say, if I'm dealing with Omanhene, name so a Christian, sorry, I will call church. So your identity, you don't have any identity crisis. A person with identity crisis is the first step to tell you, say, you can't trust him. That is number one. Number two, the same person, Ekache say, E-Levy is a good product. I also yin yina ya jitum we are Ghana be ye IMF no yan koda, and he on record was proponent of E-Levy na eba. Saying yes idea e dey buy no dia asam na ba
Sompa FM.
If he disagree with Nanadu, has he made it public? Nothing shows said Baumia is not one of those who brought E-Levy. And now was so open to me, E-Levy a bad. Nanado didn't think. Nanado is not an economics. MPP ni no, they had it wrong. And the answer to Abamano. The Chabani money we are obey E-Levy nephew. Yet to chrome her finance minister called parliament BRR or the taxes E-Levy. Bawumia Edinechi. What does it show? I support your policies. Minu wona ye. Afi wasi there be on Kahubi. Enti yanto abane mano, ye to abane mana taxes no obetwetwem. How do you trust this person? Yet to cram her. Was she oh police is not any by any or not there on Kahu, Sika Triano, he has no mandate. Or no, we're just a mate. Mate, no cranny, Sikano cranny, Sikana, the mad driver, or no, he has no role to play. Now, so call Kushia nurses. I'm a nurse in Ibisan say,
Sikana,
yes, Sikano, Dabena Mubitria. Mate, I won't take a decision, no, he managed to get the money paid. How do you trust such a person? Intermediate. Meaning, say, if we are going to this election, now you the trust and a better one. Nobody is perfect. That one, yenim. But Udi John Muhammad to her. Now Udi Bahumia to her in terms of trust. Nipana or can obeya. John Muhammad is honest. It don't catch out say one nisika or the beye on promise so I bra on to me. Yes, you per vote, but even who per vote no so I was all kind of creature man for no. Was it nursing your friend say allowance? You were issues. We are building new schools.
Sompa FM.
Messi SHS no me yani gradually. I'm investing in the infrastructure into me kase me twa we na ebehame. Amanfo antina se. When they say metua scan wo ho ekosi nne. Nursing allowance is in arrears. So these two people, when you place them on the stage, who will you choose or mine?
At finally, a word.
Allowance delayed.
Who will you choose?
Allowance delayed. Better than allowance cancelled.
Promise dishonest is better than promise not promise at all.
So this is not the period for the Bruni friend of political cynicism.
Everybody is voting.
Go
and vote. About the Obia too.
Take a stand.
Yes, take a stand.
Take a stand.
Towards center left.
I was your boy. Nah, Ebeda Honorable Habidana says, Asana lawyer George Paul Atapoku so Ebeda must say, Nyame Aduma, Exna Anopa, the Friday special Bebremo. Money it's time